Hello guys, and welcome once again to Kind Party. I just want to first of all say thank you very much for always watching my videos, and for those who are always coming back, I appreciate all the support you have been giving to me, and I wish you all the best. So today I just want to share with you this good news that I finally got the UAE 10 years golden visa. So I got it on Tuesday. I just came to work on Tuesday, and one of my colleagues was telling me that they have expanded the issuance of the golden visa, and our hospital, as one of the leading hospitals that was always taking care of COVID patients, as one of the leading private healthcare groups, that our hospital has been selected again, and now they'll issue more golden visas to more staff. So I said maybe I'm selected. So I decided to check my ICP app. I checked, and that was it. I realized that my visa has been extended to 2032. Actually, my visa was supposed to expire at the end of this month. But now it has been extended to 2032, and I'm now the sponsor of my own visa. So it is really good. It is good news for many people who are working in certain hospitals. As you might know already, the UAE government started issuing the golden visa back in 2020 to healthcare professionals like doctors and nurses that were fighting, that really worked hard during the COVID period. So it was for specific hospitals, because not all hospitals were actually taking care of COVID patients. So the issuance of the visa was for specific hospitals and for those who were working in a clinical setting. That is why the first people that received the golden visa were the doctors. And the second batch was the nurses. So after that part, they started issuing it to allied health, like medical lab technologies and radiographer. They started issuing it to some of them. And this period was meant for us, the admin staff and support staff to the clinical team. So as you all know, in healthcare, we are all part of a team. So without us, the nurses cannot function properly, right? So we all come together to make sure that the patient receives the utmost care. At the end of the day, I already knew that with time, we are going to also receive the golden visa, because we are all part of the healthcare team. We all took part, we all fought during the COVID period. We all made sure that patients were taken care of during that period, and we are still continuing that process. So without a particular part of that healthcare team, the other one cannot function properly. So we are all part of that team, and that is why it has been extended. And luckily, I was one of the beneficiaries of the UAE Golden Visa. So when I posted this on LinkedIn, many people were sending me messages and asking me how I applied and all that. So the truth is that I did not apply for anything. So my company is actually one of the leading healthcare groups in the UAE. And during the COVID period, many patients that had COVID were received in our hospital, and we took care of those patients. This is an appreciation by the UAE government to certain hospitals that were actually taking care of COVID patients. So I am actually fortunate to be working in this company. And during the COVID period, I joined my company in 2021, at the beginning of 2021. So it was around the third wave of COVID. So during that period, I worked hard, I did my best, we all put our efforts together. We all put all the efforts together to make sure that we stay COVID-free, and finally we achieved that in the hospital. So our hospital was finally COVID-free, and this is just an appreciation by the UAE government to our doctors, to our nurses, to our admin team, to our corporate team, and to all other staff in the hospital. So many of us have received a recent golden visa, and again, it is free. So we did not apply for anything. The company, I don't know what they did, but maybe they submitted our names and all that, and we finally just received automatically. So it simply means that my visa, I'm going to stay here. I can stay here for 10 years without getting any visa, and I can renew again for another 10 years. So that is just the benefit. And again, it simply means that I can also sponsor my family. So I can sponsor my family and put them under the same 10 years visa. So it is good. Or if I want to move to a new company, for example, I can actually go to a new company. They don't need to worry about making me a visa and all that. So Those are some of the benefits that are there. But at the end of the day, if I lose my job, for example, I can stay in this country, but if I don't have a job, how can I survive? So I might have the visa to stay, but I cannot stay for a long period without a job, because I need to pay house rent, I need to feed and all that. Again, the visa is important. It is really nice. I really appreciate the UAE government, but I still need a job, because some people were saying that, oh, now I can just stay at home. How can I stay at home? I cannot stay at home because I need a job. I have the visa, I can stay, yeah, but I need a job to survive. So that is the good news that I got on Tuesday. I just wanted to share with you, my family on YouTube. And for anyone who has any questions regarding the golden visa, you can try to put it in the comment section and I will be able to answer your question. I told so many people when I made the last video regarding the golden visa, I told so many people that this golden visa, if you have not received the golden visa as a nurse, just wait. With time, you're going to receive. If that visa is being issued in your hospital, then you have to just wait. If some of your colleagues have received the visa, the golden visa, then you have to just wait, because it is going to get to your turn. So, but if your hospital, if no one is receiving in your hospital, then it means that you will not get it. So, but if your hospital has been selected as one of the hospitals that are going to get the golden visa, then definitely all the staff in that hospital are going to receive that golden visa if your visa is under that hospital. So just be patient, just wait, because I know so many people will still ask me questions that they have not received. So just check and just wait, because I know that the government is rolling out the visa to healthcare staff in batches. The first people in my hospital to receive, they received about 2 years ago, that is in 2020. So, and I'm receiving today, and I'm receiving just on Tuesday. So you see the difference. Some people, they have already used 2 years of their golden visa. Meanwhile, my own just came today. It's new, brand new. So that's it, and it is a good thing. And we appreciate the UAE government for recognizing healthcare professionals. I just said it is good to share this good news with you all, and that I'm happy and I'm excited regarding the news. And if you have any questions, like I said, put it in the comment section. I'll be here to answer. Thank you and have a good time.